Hello guys. Good evening. So food trip na naman tayo guys pagkatapos mag-live. Yung aking mga kasama, we are here sa Banban. Dito to sa may Bulabog. Still in Bulabog. Ang daming mga food trip on here guys. And the good thing about this, it's another friendly, pet friendly kainan here sa Boracay. Pagpasok mo, yung kitchen there. Tapos they also have a dining area here. Yan. Very aesthetic and very well ventilated siya guys. So hindi mainit. Maliit lang siya pero guys, it's cozy. Yan. Kahit madadaan naman yung kitchen, very So kitang-kita. It's an open kitchen guys. Parang naka-showcase. Yung yes, charot. Yung mga beautiful friends ko here sa Boracay. yung in-order namin, papakita ko sa inyo later. Pero ito yung mga pwede mong mabili sa kanila. Yung mga noodles nila guys, it's already good for 2 na daw. Tapos ito, meron din silang mga bundle. Ayan. So, if you visit Boracay guys, this is also a must visit place or kainan here in Boracay. Nandito lang din ito sa may Bulabog. Ilagay nyo lang Banban. Yan. Malapit lang to guys. Lang siya. Walkable lang. Sa may malapit lang dito sa iglesia sa Boracay. Walkable siya guys. So yeah. Visit nyo siya guys. Ayan o, Banban. Pakita ko sa inyo later guys yung aming in-order. Para makita nyo yung serving na. Hindi namin in-order lahat Pero yes. Ayan siya guys. Until what time sila open? Parang they're open until parang mga 9 or 10 siguro. Kasi usually dito sa Bulabog mga 9 or 10. So yan guys, search nyo lang Banban. Very cozy here. Kahit medyo mainit today. Cozy dito kasi well ventilated sila. And importante kasi kasama si Charlie. Kailangan laging pet friendly yung kainan. Until what time po kayo?
9 PM.
Hanggang 9 PM daw guys. So tama ako. Hindi ako nang hula. 9 or 10 yun. 9 hanggang 9 o'clock sila. They just don't have wifi here. So kung pupunta kayo, mag-usap-usap kayo habang kumakain. Huwag kayong mag-wifi. Ganun.
An eternity later.
And this is what we ordered guys. Ito yung sesame chicken soup nila. And then ito yung shrimp balls. Tama ba? Fried shrimp balls, yan. O, diba? Mali-mali pa ako. And then yung fried siopaw. And then this is the pork and shrimp siomai. And lastly, yung beef hot pot soup nila. So yeah, guys, it's already good for 2. Lalo kung hindi ka naman ganun kalakas kumain, good for 2 na talaga siya, guys. So, mura lang siya, guys. Ayan lang yung kanilang mga rates or prices. Yan guys. So again guys, visit nyo si Banban here lang dyan sa Bulabog, Boracay. Sa mga naghahanap ng food trip, eto. It's a must try guys. See you all again guys for another food trip vlog. Follow for more guys. Thank you so much.